Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your coding environment with Visual Studio Code step by step clearly. Begin by downloading Visual Studio Code from the official website. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to install the software on your machine. After installation, launch Visual Studio Code. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the sidebar and status bar. To customize your coding environment, click on the gear icon in the lower left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings, explore themes to change the appearance of your editor. Search for specific settings to adjust font size, color themes, or editor behavior. Next, install essential extensions by clicking on the extensions icon in the sidebar. Search for popular extensions such as Prettier, ESLint, or LiveServer. Click Install on the extensions you want to add to your environment. Once installed, configure the extensions according to your project needs. To enhance your coding experience, consider customizing keyboard shortcuts. Click File, then Preferences, and choose Keyboard Shortcuts. Search for specific commands you use frequently and assign new shortcuts. Next, set up version control by installing Git if you haven't already. Open the terminal within Visual Studio Code by selecting View, then Terminal. In the terminal, configure Git with your username and email. Create a new project folder or open an existing one in Visual Studio Code. Start coding in your chosen programming language within the editor. Utilize the integrated terminal to run commands without leaving the application. Take advantage of IntelliSense for code suggestions and auto-completion. Regularly save your work by using the Ctrl+S shortcut. Explore the version control feature by initializing a Git repository in your project folder. Commit changes as you progress in your coding journey. Utilize the built-in debugger by clicking on the Run icon in the sidebar. Set breakpoints and step through your code to troubleshoot errors efficiently. Continue to refine your coding environment according to your workflow needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.